Guys, welcome back to another picking session. I have for you a very heavy zone hardened steel padlock that was lended to me by Potti314 some time ago, and he asked me when I'm done playing with it to send it back to him. Runs really smoothly. It's a 6-pin lock, very strong spring, really love it, and the key is quite big. There's the bitting, very nice. And yeah, let's give it a go and try and pick it, and if I'm able to pick it, I will also try to gut it for you. So I'll be using a very deep hook because it's easier to pick like that. Starting with 1, you immediately get a full set. Pressing tiny little bit on 2 and we got some movement on the core. Number 3 doesn't give anything. 4, nothing. 5 gave a small click. 6 also gave a click. But let's see what's happening. So 1 still seems to be set. 2 not budging, I assume it's picked. 3 maybe I can get under him. Let's leave it for a moment. Let's see number 4, maybe 5 and 6. I would assume it's number 3. Okay, let's try from the beginning. So 1 is picked, 2 is not budging. 3 maybe is picked now. I can try 1 again because I think no, 1 seems to be okay. 4, 5, 6. So 1 I have picked again, dropped into the full set again. 2 seems to be in place. Let's see 3. So let's try 1 and 2 and then 3. Okay, 1. What was 5? Oh, 6 rather. No, that was 5, but I lost my full set. So one gave me the full set. So one is like a gatekeeper, I assume. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, give a click. 6. So I would assume I'm 1 pin away from picking, not sure which one it is. That was 5. And there we go. Whew. It was number 5 this time. Okay. Really a painful pick. I mean, this is definitely not an easy lock. If I'm honest, this is, I think, take 4 maybe of this lock, because the other takes I either couldn't open it on time or it just took too long. So let's see what we have here. We have one spinner, back spinner, I assume. Okay, I need to remember that it's like that. And we have a full clip. So I will lock it because I have the key. I hope that I will not make a mess out of it, of course. Although, with a clip like this one, see if I can stab myself easily. Okay. There we go. It's mostly flat. So I need a pinning tray, some stabby tweezers, and I need a follower, which will be this one, I assume. Things are against me today. Yes, this one will do fine. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, this one wanted to pop out so fast and so badly. So let's do this, and then hope I don't need to shim this. Good, very nice clicks. Let's see what's there. So this is number 2, just once out. This is 3. Ooh, number 2 is a really long one. This is number 1. It's number 4. Sorry, that's 4, not 5. Yeah, I need to learn how to count again. Okay, let's have a look on the core. Very nice core, just a little bit filed here. This, however, did not make it easy to do. Nothing more than that. The spinner here is just put in that direction so that it will rotate the mechanism. Nothing special there. And let's have a look what is inside. So number 1. It's not a spool, it's a serrated. Okay, that explains a lot. Mostly that I am not good with serrateds, but number 2 is definitely a spool. Three is a spool. Sorry, 4 is a spool. This is actually 1. This is 2. This is also 3, 4, now let's see, 5, 5 and 6. Also a spool. So a lot of spools, one serrated. And I was sure that actually the first one is a spool. So the springs are barely protruding out, so not that big tension there, but yeah, it was not easy. And I see some drill protection here. Maybe you can also see it. I see some drill protection here on both sides, and it is filled in. Yep, it's also visible on the back side as well. Alright, let me give you a little bit of a close-up. So as I said, everything aside from number 1, which is a serrated, everything else is a spool. And as far as I see, this also explains, I sometimes have trouble picking tapered pins because they catch really easy on the edges. And everything aside from this long guy here, everything else is tapered pin. Yeah, that was quite a challenge. Potti, thank you very much for this beautiful, beautiful lock. You will get it soon, and I will add some other goodies for you to have and enjoy. Alright, everybody, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.